Guys, do you have that habit that you're lazy to put down the plates? Soiled plates and glasses from eating down to the kitchen or to the kitchen to the sink. I am guilty of that. So, really, even so, I did have days that I neglected. But, so for that to stop, to practice on putting an end to that habit, diligently, I try again to put down the plates I use. Kasi guys, talaga meron akong ganong habit. Okay, so guys, it's sharing. So practice, just start, just begin. That's the only way. Okay? So, by doing this, it can have a positive effect on the next not so good habit that we don't have. To at least try practicing to change it to a better one, di ba? It doesn't have to be from negative to positive or, not so nice or to a better one. Yung ganun, pwede naman guys. Alright, so this is Carmina. Thank you so much. Take care, bye.